Today we're unboxing and taking a look at the FNIRSI DSO-TC4, a compact 3-in-1 device that combines an oscilloscope, transistor tester, and signal generator. Let's see what's inside the box and discover its features and specifications. Inside the box, you'll find a detailed user manual and the FNIRSI DSO-TC4 oscilloscope. A user guide for the oscilloscope probes is also included, as well as a USB-C charging cable. Everything you need to get started with this device is inside the box. You will find oscilloscope probes, alligator clip probe, test hooks, an adapter, and a manual that is structured to provide clear and detailed instructions. It begins with essential safety requirements and then introduces the device in the product overview section. It also gives detailed specifications and step-by-step instruction on powering the device on and off, navigating through modes, and adjusting settings. Now, probably the most important part of the user manual is the operation guide. This is where you can learn how to use each function of the DSO-TC4 step by step. A short press on the mode button will let you switch to other modes. Short press the run button to pause and click again to run. The auto button is for automatic measurements. As you can see, the button layout is intuitive and easy to use. And one of the first things you'll notice when you pick up the FNIRSI DSO-TC4 is just how compact and lightweight it is. It easily fits in the palm of your hand or your toolkit. Now, the DSO-TC4 is slightly bigger than its predecessor, the DSO-TC3. But the extra size isn't wasted, it's there for a reason. With this larger form factor, you get noticeably bigger and clearer 2.8-inch color display, and more importantly, a big jump in functionality. So what does it really bring to the table? First up, in the oscilloscope mode, you get a 10 MHz analog bandwidth and a 48 megasample per second sampling rate. It can handle up to 400 volts input protection, and it offers waveform storage. The signal generator mode offers 13 waveform types with frequencies up to 50 kHz. And the output parameters like frequency, amplitude, and duty cycle are adjustable and flexible to meet various needs. After powering up the device, you can easily navigate the modes. The toolbox offers voltage test, transistor on-off test, Zener diode test, single-wire digital temperature sensor measurement, digital temperature and the humidity sensor measurement, on-off test, infrared decoding, and automatic calibration. You can also go to settings and adjust the different settings of your device, including language and volume. The transistor tester allows you to identify transistor categories, and it displays the corresponding symbol. The DSO-TC4 offers the possibility to test a wide range of other components, including diodes, Zener diodes, capacitors, inductors, and even temperature and humidity sensor. So that's the FNIRSI DSO-TC4, a portable all-in-one tool that really delivers for electronics enthusiasts, repair techs, and makers alike. If you're interested in picking one up or checking out more details, the link is in the description. Thank you for watching.